Observe. S equal to, take the number. Okay now? Now, sir, if I go to the S of 0, what I will get? 0. Suppose S of 10, A. If I go to S of 15, am I getting numbers or not? Yes. Ante each one contain indexing because of it is a string. So S of 0, S of A, like that. If you're in a position to read these values, your job completed. How to read the string character by character? And in all these 15, 0 to F, one value I can require. Indexes you can read it. Corresponding letter, S of 0, S of 10. But that value should be random number. Generate a random number 0 to 15. 0 to 15, one number I want to generate. How to generate? If you generated 0 to 15, your job completed because this total one is S. I am passing that number S of 0, S of 12, S of 15, 13, like that. Observe here carefully, sir. In JavaScript, Java, there is one class is there. What is the class name? Math. Python modules are there. Here classes are there. Math is not a module, math is a class. Inside class, there is a function is there. What is the function? Random. What it generates? Check it. What it is generating? Copy, run, and you will get clarity. What it is generating? It is generating. Check it. Whatever numbers we are getting, check it number carefully. The number should be, it generates. Sir, what is the meaning of this one? Square brackets, 0 to 1 parenthesis. What is the meaning? Left side square bracket, right side parenthesis I am given. What is the meaning of that one? Inclusive 0, 1 is not inclusive. Until it is generated 0 to less than 1, the number should be. And 1 never comes. That is the meaning of parenthesis. Square brackets means 0 will be generated. So it generates 0 to 1. This meaning is 0 inclusive and 1 inclusive. That is the meaning, sir. Error anta. It is generating the number 0 less than or equal to, but less than compulsory 1. This type of number will be generated. That is the meaning of that one. So you can check it. Always my number should be 0 point something, 0 point something, 0 point. 1 never generates. But by using this function, can I write any logic? I want to generate 0 to 15, one random number I can require. Paper kavala. ఇంకా వస్తారు వచ్చేవాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు. I want to generate 0 to 15 number. How to generate it? For example, check it carefully. Sir, I want to provide it math dot random. I can provide it star of 0. What is the value always? 0 only. 0 only always. Now, observe carefully. I want to provide it first least number, what it is? 0. What is the maximum number? 15. Ikkada. In this case, 0. What is the maximum number? 15. Okay. Now you have to tell, for example, any number 0 point something 999 something it is there into 16. What is the output I will get? 0 point any number into 16. What is the output? 15 point something only. You can take any value. 0.9686. Any number you can take into 16. Compulsory the number should be 15 point only. Once it is coming, in math function, there are some functions that there. Floor, seal. Floor means it is generating 15. Seal value means 16. Next value, round figure. Seal means next integer. 16 will come. Floor means 15 will come. Now same logic. It is generating something 15.85 something generated. Okay, done. This is the value. What I was doing is, I want to go with floor. Floor of 15.85. Please tell what is the output. Am I getting 15 or not? Now check it carefully. What I am writing logic is remove. Sir, first math dot. What is the function? Floor. Okay. Inside. What is the function? Math dot. What is the function name? Random. What I want to give? Star 16. Which number generated? Check it. And the first time math dot random into 16. One number generated, converted to the nearest integer. Run 2-3 times. 8, 15, 0. My required numbers came, not came. My required number is 0 to 15. So run n number of times. It should be must and should 0 to 15 only. So am I generated random number or not? Why I am taking 0 to 15? The reason is this one. Your string started with 0. End position is 15. Once I'm generating index, I can pass that value like this. You go S of 0, S of 10, S of 15, like that. Now, my logic is, I want to write math dot random of 16. It is generating. Then I am given as a math dot floor. Total value pass. It should generated one random number between 0 to 15. Any doubt up to here? Clear, everyone? Math dot random function generated 0 to 1 floor value. Now that float value I'm multiplied with 16. The always output should be 15 point something. I'm converted to the floor. So the number should be 0 to 15. 16 not compulsory, not required, because my index position is 0 to 15 only. If I'm given 16, index error. 16th character is not there. Now, sir, based on this, I want to generate a random color. Check it carefully. Now, I'm getting values 9, 9, 4, 8, 2. Something values I can provide it. Sir, 1 minute. So now check it. So by using this logic, I am generating 0 to 15 number. So my requirement is satisfied. Where? 0 to 15. So now what I was doing is, observe carefully, sir. I want to generate a function. What is the function name? How to declare function? Function is the keyword. What is the function name? Get random color. I want to generate the function. Sir, how many digits you can require? Compulsory 6. Okay, done. Take a for loop. First of all, take letters. That letters, sir. Because whatever you want, require these. Copy this. Come to here. Paste it. Now, take one for loop. For I can provide that variable I equal to 0. I less than 6. This loop will be running how many times? 6 times. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I plus. This total loop will be running, yes. Sir, but before letter, something is required. What is required? Hash symbol. Hash symbol is mandatory. Check it in the color picker. Compulsory hash symbol 6 digits. Okay. That's why I'm taking a string hash symbol. For this string, every time I'm adding one letter. Now, what is the function I'm using? What is the function? Math.flow. Is it generating one number or not? Yes. Copy this. Come to atom. Number generate. The number may be 0, 4, 8. One number generated 0 to 15. Stored into a variable. Random number. Now what to do? You have to add that number. Color equals to color plus R. Completed story. Getting clarity? Because, sir, loop running 6 times. First time one random generated, added to color. What is the color? Hash symbol. Hash symbol, the number may be anything. I don't know what it will come. 0 to F, one number will come. Okay. Now, R means what is happened? Number will be added. Index. I don't want index, sir. What I can require? Letters of R, because I'm getting index value. Corresponding letter I can require. Yes, correct. Letters of R. Because it is generating number 9, 7, 4, 8. That is index. So in that index, letters, what is the character is there? That will be added. Now, once your loop completed, return that color. Actually, is it working or not working? I have doubt. Copy the function name. We will check it. If it is running, I will continue. Otherwise, something goes wrong. Copy the function. Get random color. Some error came. Sorry. Refresh. Sorry. Refresh browser. That is the mistake. This one day. Generated. Multi run it. Run it. Which color it is coming? I don't know. Copy this. Copy. Go to the browser. Go to color picker. You have to paste value. Okay. Something color came, not came. Yes. So function is working properly. Second value. Something I'm generating random number color. Come to here. Paste it. Changed? Yes. So I'm in a position to generate the color with the help of which function? Random color. I generated 6 digit color I generated there. Then what to do? I have to provide random colors to this. Whatever variables are there, I'm going to be variables. H1, P1. Okay. Now observe carefully. Create another function. Function. What it is? Change color. Previously I'm changing directly. Only one color. If I am given random color, I am generating a function. Yes, please tell how to give h1 dot style dot color. What I want to give? Get random color. That function you can call. Then automatically color will be written or not? Color will be written. My job completed. Next ఏమే ఉన్నాయి ఇంకా? Copy, paste. Any elements totally? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. Sir, after H1, P1. Next to P2. Next to heading to H21, H22. Next to unordered list 1. Next to unordered list 2. Sir, completed my program. I am taking variables, random color generated, calling that function assigning. Now come to close all this. If I refresh, is it applying colors or not? Edi? I am not calling function. Which function? Change color function you have to call. Yes, function call. Now check it. Came. Now refresh. Observe carefully. Every time colors changes, not changes. I don't know. Random color it is coming. I'm going to check it. Check it. Every time randomly colors changes. Sir, instead of I am refreshing, I want to run function continuously. How to run? In JavaScript, I explained a concept for you. Higher order functions. Higher order functions in JavaScript. Have you remembered? No, while true. See, in our JavaScript, somewhere else explained higher order functions. ఇదిగోండి. In JavaScript explained how to do Ramlo song. I'm telling you what it is. Function. Set interval, function, time in milliseconds. Have you remembered? Higher order functions. Explained already. I'm explained, not explained. Explained. I'm taking two songs, sing a song function. Check the India, he is telling song. Check the India, Ramlo song. Sing a song. Every 3 seconds it is running. Every 3 running. Yes or no? Set interval. Okay. Now check this function, set interval, copy, come to here. Sir, what is the function, sir? Set interval. Inside you can give function name. After that, what to do? Time, millisecond. For example, 5000 seconds. Save it. No, higher order functions. Nested function with function inside function. Here I am passing one function as argument to another function. Higher order functions, these are called as. Nested function, different story. This style is called as JavaScript higher order functions. What I'm telling, what is higher order function? The function which can take another function as argument. Nested function ante function inside another function I am declaring. That is nested function. Okay, got it? Sir, observe carefully. What will happen? Set interval, change color. How much time? 5000. Now, just to refresh, wait. You won't do anything. 5 seconds, it will execute. Executed. After 5 seconds, color will changes. Check it. Changes. After 5 seconds, color changes. And the same. Every 5 seconds, color changes. Check it carefully. Changed or not changed? Changing. If you want more effect, check it. Give 3000. Refresh. Changing. 3 seconds also no. Give 1 second. Check it. Changes. How it is there? So that is the power of the JavaScript. DOM usage. Suppose ఎందుకు చేయలేమయ్యా ఇక్కడ మన ఇష్టమే డిలీట్ చేయడం కదా అది జీరోలు డిలీట్ చేయి ఇదిగో హౌ మచ్ ఎమ్ గివెన్ 10 నౌ చెక్ ఇట్ వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్ రీఫ్రెష్ ఇదిగోండి ఏమవుతుంది అది discolate yes or no you can reduce time that is our wish anything we can go that's why understandable purpose I am given 1000 refresh how beautiful programming that is the disco yes sir see outside also what they are writing some lightings are there na it is coming zigzag and all these writing some programming only suppose in traffic signal is there na red yellow how it is running in my Python classes by using multi-threading program I am explaining how traffic signals are changing first red after 26 మీరు పైథాన్ కాదుగా యు ఆర్ నాట్ పైథాన్ స్టూడెంట్ నా అది పైథాన్ లో ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఇక్కడ కాదు అది అందుకే ఇక్కడ చెప్పాను కదా డిస్కోలైట్స్ యూ కెన్ అప్లై హియర్ ఆల్సో సార్ చూడండి దట్ ఈస్ ద స్పెషాలిటీ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వన్ యా నో ప్రాబ్లం అమిత్ దట్ జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ కోడ్ యూ కెన్ ఇంజెక్టెడ్ టు సర్వర్ యార్ సింపుల్ సార్ ఇప్పుడు నోట్స్ ఎస్టర్డే ఆల్సో ఐఎమ్ నాట్ కాపీ నోట్స్ ఇదిగోండి దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫంక్షన్ ఇదిగోండి ఫస్ట్ I started with change color application, generation of random number, math function. So test.js, you can take this code carefully. Okay. HTML code already you know. Some page, this is the HTML code. Test.html. In program you can write it, practice it in lab. You will get errors. Sir, still it is 1 minute changing only. If you want to stop, another function I am given. What it is? Clear interval something I am given. Set interval. Higher order functions edi ekkadiki velipindi idi. Higher order function. Set interval. If you stop, clear interval. So that is the beautiness of that one. Not JSON, DOM. So we need to stop it. Refresh. Sir, I want to change the background color. How to change background? For example, check it. Idantha enti elements kada. I don't want. Comment it. Only background I want. What to do? Background. And first you have to take the element where body I want to change. Be equal to document dot. How to get it? Tag name. Get elements by tag name. What I want to take? Body of 0. So B came. Now please tell how to set it. Same story. B dot style dot background equal to what is the function? Get random color. You have to remove this one now. Set interval. 1 second. Okay na? Refresh. Came background changing. Now background plus letters, all I want. Uncomment it, save, refresh. Now check it. Background, colors. Check it. Letters also colors changing every time. Letters, background, everything will be changes. We need to stop this. So that is the way of how to change a body and letters randomly. Next, after this, just now we are checking how to change color of element. How I am changing? Element dot style dot color equal to anything you can provide. DOM for content iteration. How to iterate the content? Suppose a list of elements are there. Iteration means by using for loop, I can take the values. How to iterate the content? Ante, I want to change the content and I want to change the HTML code. Anchor tag, I can change it as a div tag. Or H1 tag, I can change it as an anchor tag. Button tag, I can change it as an input tag. How to change that? For example, here only important methods and is there. I want to change the text as a narration. I want to change that as a narration. Favorite food, it is H2. I want to change it as a hyperlink, anchor tag. Once I click on it, it will go to somewhere else. How to change that content and all those? That is nothing but your content iteration. By using DOM panel, we can change text, we can change, and HTML code we need to change, and we can get attributes also. Attributes means inside anchor tag, href, src, these are all called as attributes. How to change it? So how to change content already we discussed. That heading I want to change it as a narration. How to change it? This one. This one I want to change it as a narration. How to change it? Ela change cheyali. Starting first day introduction demo, I am telling DOM demo. Take that element, change content. For example, Control Shift J. Identify this element. How to identify that element? Where some element H1 equal to, what is the root? Document dot query selector. Yes, query selector of which one it is? A H1. Now my H1 is holding to that one. Any doubt? Check it. Came. I want to change it as a narration. What to do? H1 dot text content equal to narration. Changed or not changed? Changed. That is already explained. First class introduction. Reading value. Udemy I am changing as a narration. Same story. This is the way how to change the content. Take the variable h1 dot text content equal to narration I am given. Okay, done. Next, how to change HTML code? For example, how to read carefully. What is H2 tag? Okay, observe here. For example, copy, paste. Get query selector of I want to provided అదేంటిది heading 2 కదా h2 give as a h2 h2 please tell what is the h2 heading to favorite ports. I want to change this one as a anchor tag. Anchor tag marshal, I want to change it as a anchor tag because it is h2 tag. You can check in your HTML. My favorite food is a h2. Change it as a anchor tag. Anchor tag means internal href. Go to the narration and whenever clicking on favorite food, it will goes to narration. How to change it? Simple. ఇంకోండి h2 ఉంది కదా h2 dot what I want to do, text content text content equal to how to take anchor tag. For example, check it. A letter anchor tag h reference. I want to give href equal to https://youtube.com/naresh it I can provide it. Inside I want to give free videos. This is the link address. Okay na? Cut it. Here I can give. Can I give like this? Here you can give single quotes. Is it changed or not? Now check it. Wow. Is it changes? Check the left side. How it is coming? I don't want like that here. What I can require? Just you have to display only free videos. Once you click on that, it will goes to narration to YouTube. A small twist is there. It is not the correct. ఇది కాదు నాకు కావాల్సింది. You have to display only free videos with hyperlink. How view profile is there? Like that. But you were printed total HTML tag. Okay na? That is not the way. Check it carefully. Sir, first time taking this. How to change? This is important. How to change HTML code. First time taken this one. And I'm taken this one, but it is not changes. This is not way, wrong way. Idi kaadu. Then what will happen means it is changes only content only. But what I'm asking, code I'm asking HTML code you want to replace. Instead of h2, you can replace anchor tag. Then another way is h2 dot inner HTML. What I want to give? Inner HTML equal to, in single quotes, give this one. Anchor tag, give that. This is the way of providing, sir. Ila we have to give inner HTML. Then observe left side, what will happen? Changes, not changes. That is the difference between text content and inner HTML. Text content means that text will be replaced. Inner HTML means total HTML tag. Now click on free videos. What will happen? It will goes to youtube.com/naresh came. This is my requirement. So you can go with inner HTML, not text contents. Or remember h2 dot inner HTML equal to total. So now are you getting it? What is the difference between text content and inner HTML? Text content means text will be replaced. Inner HTML means total HTML code will be replaced. How to change attributes? How to change attributes? First to take the attribute name. Then you can change it with the help of, for example, we have anchor tag is there. Okay, sir, observe carefully. Sir, whenever I'm clicking on view profile, please tell what it will open. Narration will be opened. Yes. What is the reason? Got SDM given view profile. What I'm given now? Narration. Instead of narration, I want to open as a google.com. Then I'm changing attribute or not? Yes. How to change it? Go to here. Control Shift J. Yes, panel. First to read that attribute, sir. How to get that attribute means document dot query selector. What is the tag? Anchor tag. Yes, stored into a variable. Okay, done. So the anchor tag. What is the attribute? href. That href I want to change. So how to change it now? Anchor dot set attribute. Whatever you want, give that one. Suppose, what is the attribute name? href. What you can require? Google. https://google.com. Enter. Now, you want to do anything, place cursor on view profile. Bottom, what it is displaying? Google. Previously, Naresh IT. Now check it, run. Which page opened? Google. Because I changed the attribute. Set attribute I'm given. Like that, it is changes. Are you getting it? That is the way. So now, element dot get attribute of attribute name. Now, a letter, it is anchor. Once I'm identifying anchor dot set attribute of which attribute? href, comma, which URL? / google.com. This story, sir. How to change content, how to change HTML code, how to change the attributes. That is the story. For example, go to here, open new tab, go to udemy.com. Control Shift J, go to the console panel, Control L, Control L, Control L. Yes, fine. Sir, here I want to change the background color, body background color I want to change. How to change? Background. Just now I'm telling now. Document. 1 minute. Document dot body dot style dot background equal to it changes red background. Came. Suppose here what it is, for example, logo is there. 1 minute. Document dot query selector image. Yes. Is it pointing to Udemy logo or not? Yes. Yes. Pointing to the. Yeah. I will change. Then online image is required. Online images are required, sir. If you open Sunny online images means, sir, now join ikkada. Would me, I want to change it. Okay. 1 minute. I want to change this one. Any image is there in Naresh IT? nareshit.in. 1 minute. Is it image? No. Image means copy image address came. It is a just this baby image. Yeah. Copy image address. Come to here. Here, sir. Logo. Dot. What I want to use? Set attribute. Inside. What it is? Please tell. Which attribute is available? SRC. Okay. Change that one. SRC, comma. Just now I'm copy pasted na that image, Naresh image. Change na. Instead of would me, that girl came. Naresh image, this girl image. Here I am taken that one image. Here, this image. I am uploaded here. So any image you can take it. That you have to set it. So like that. Close. Refresh. Same site will come. Next concept. So this is the color change application. Next topic is event handling by using DOM. Sir, what is the meaning of event? Event means, suppose tomorrow Sai Baba marriage is there. Is it a Sai Baba marriage event or not? Yes. Event means something happened. That is called as event. Something which is happened is called as a event. Example, maybe I'm clicking on a button. Is it event or not? I'm clicking on a login button. Login will be happened. I'm clicking on logout button. Logout will be happened. I'm clicking on clear button. Data will be gone. So that is a button click. For example, sometimes I can go with double click. Sometimes am I double clicking or not? Yes. Sometimes I want to go to the mouse over. Sometimes I want to go to mouse out. These type of actions we are going it. Mouse click, double click, single click, mouse over, all those things. So to do these all activities, listener is there. What is the listener? Who are the listeners? Sai Baba. So are all the listeners or not? Yes, only. Listener is nothing but who is listens the event. Whenever a particular event occurs, automatically listener will perform some activity. Then I need to go to the listener. Generally, it is available in Java and Selenium. Listener concept is there. Whenever a particular event occurs, automatically, yes, listener will perform, yes, required activity. That is. How to implement this event handling? How to implement event handling? So which element you want to provide? First take that element. How to take that element already we know. Add, there is a function is there. Event listener. Inside event, comma, function. This is the syntax. Sir, element, how to read element, we know already. In this control shift J. Your document dot find element. In that element, you can provide your class. What is the method? Add event listener. Which event and what is the function? Now, first question, my requirement is to change color of H1 on what to do? Single click. Whenever clicking on H1, I want to change the color. How to do this one? This one, sir. This one I want to change color. Whenever I'm clicking on here, I want to change it. Sorry, done. Come to test.js. Sorry, sir, remove all this nonsense. I don't want call this function also remove. Sir, h1 equal to style dot color random color. First of all, check it. What will happens? No, I'm not calling function. Okay, 1 second. What is the function? Change color. Call the function, sir. Now refresh. Yes. Change it. Every time refreshing time changes. Okay. But what I'm doing is remove this. What to do? Whenever some event is happened, what I'm asking to change color of H1 on single click. So this is the syntax. Which element? H1. What is the method? Add event listener. Which event? Click. What is the function? Change color. Simple. Come to here. First element H1. What is the function? Add event listener. Inside, click. Yes, very good. Click. What is the function? Change color. Now check it. Observe carefully. Refresh. Now, chunde. I'm place the cursor. I'm clicking. Mouse click. Change leda. Again place. Click it. Click it. Click it. Click it. Every click. Color changes, not changes. I'm mouse clicking every time. Previously, I'm refreshing. I'm not refreshing. Just mouse click. Mouse click. Mouse click. Mouse click. Changes. So that is the event handling. So identify the element. Just inside you can give. This is the method. Now, change color. Double click. What to do? By using double click, you have to come to here. Same DBL. Double click. Now go to application, check it carefully. Sir, I am clicking. You changes? No. Clicking. No. What to do? Double click it. Double click. double click, double click, double click, changes, changes. That is the way. DBL. Mouse over. Yes. To change color H1 on mouse operation. So these are all not possible in CSS. CSS only static color enough. Okay, the third example. So now what to do for this? Here, mouse over, copy, paste, save. Come here, refresh. Now check it carefully. I'm not doing anything. Just mouse. Color changed. Idigondi. Malli mouse. Adigondi. Malli mouse. Whenever mouse places, color changes. Just to give the mouse only. Changes or not changes. Next, mouse out. If your mouse outside go, color will changes. Check it. Example. Sorry, 4. ఇప్పుడు mouse out. అంటే ఇప్పుడు అవుట్ సైడ్ కి go color changes. Mouse out. Save. Refresh the page. If you place the mouse, no change. Come outside. If you place mouse, no, outside. Place mouse, outside, outside, outside. Changes. That is the way. Sir, my requirement is change text as a, observe carefully. Isar entante, whenever I place the cursor, change content, content change, color should be so and so. If you go outside, change content, color. My example, I want to go to fifth one. To change content as Hyderabad and color your wish, anything. Blue on, mouse over. Same if I out to Bangalore, color red on mouse out. What to do? You have to tell. What should I do? Sai Baba. What to do? Simple, sir. Come to here, observe. What to do here? H1 dot add event listener only. Yes. What is the function? Mouse. Mouse over. Okay. Observe. Now don't give change color. Remove this. What I was doing is, what is the meaning of this one? Function parenthesis, anonymous function. If you declare function, calling function instead of function parenthesis, I'm not given any name. Anonymous function. In JavaScript, I'm explained anonymous functions. No name, automatically it will executed. You have to tell what is your requirement. H1 dot Just now I'm telling how to change content. Text content. What is required? Hyderabad. Completed. How to change color? Style.color. What you can require? Even just now in example, am I telling, not telling? How to change colors, all this. This is the mouse over. Next, copy, paste. Mouse out. Completed. Check it. Refresh. Place the cursor. Out. Cursor. Out. Inside. Out. Came. Sir, in your website, sometimes you can check it whenever placing cursor, it is highlighted and all these are coming. Because of these logic, you have to write JavaScript add to your HTML page. Write this code, give to HTML. Suppose one day, simple. You can go to Google. Observe anyone carefully. If you place mouse on Google search, what happened? Any difference is there? No, na. Ayyo. Check it. Any difference is coming, not coming? Highlighting, something highlighting, not highlighting. Ayyo, check it. Nothing happened. If you place cursor on Google, highlight, not highlight. But how it is coming? Event handler. If you place, I am feeling lucky. Still he is not getting. Observe carefully. You can observe it. Something you will get it. Something highlight is coming. Background. Sir, if you place cursor on Hindi, underline, underline, underline. Okay. If you go to Gmail, underline, underline. You go sign in. Happen something. But how it is coming? By using event listeners handling only. That is the beauty of this one. దీనికి example సార్ ఇది. Fifth example, this one. So, if I place Hyderabad, out, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Bangalore. How to change? Possible. The front end only possible. Possible. Sir, I want to change the background body by clicking on one button. My requirement, check it carefully. So these are all the things. Somewhere else it will be useful for your project, real-time project. If anybody is asking, if you click on that sounds action, then what to do? By using JavaScript code, you can inject your browser. Now, body color changer. For example, in this, create button inside that pass the function inside function body. Yeah. Check it, sir. In test.html, I'm removing all these HTML inside body. Sir, I have to create H1. This is body changer application. Inside, I want to create what is required? One button. What is the button name I can provide it? Click here to change body color. Now, something is missing. What it is? A script. How to add that? SRC. మన స్క్రిప్ట్ ఏంటిది? test.js. Completed. This is the story. Now, please tell here what to do. in this one. Remove all this story. Tell. Change color also. Not required. I have to first. Sorry, code anta ekkana copy paste chesanu. Any not required now. Remove. Function required. Sir, please tell what to do now. I want to take that button. How to take the button? Document dot query selector. What it is? Button. Give a variable B. Just now I'm telling how to change the body background color. Just now we change it now. Would me back E dot event listener. First, on which operation? Click. What I have to do? Function, anonymous function. Function. How to change? Document dot body. Body dot style dot background equal to random color. Okay. Now refresh. Body change color. Click here. Click here. Click here. Click here. Came, not came. But every click, it is changes. Like that, we can change, sir. First to test.html. Test.js. This is the code. So for every click, it is changes. చాలా ఏం చెప్పా అన్ని సింపులే అంతే. ఏమండి ఎనీ కాంప్లెక్సిటీ ఇస్ దేర్. Read the tag name, click mouse over. So next, names. Random name, random color. Name and color. Suppose I want to take a list of names, 5-6 names. Whenever placing that one, suppose Sunny, some random color. Random name, random color I want to display. End of the session means tomorrow I will tell one application. Endante, do you know this application? Me and computer we are playing. First time providing star. Who are providing 3 cross like you will win. Okay na? వీడికి ఆపోజిట్ లో మనం హియర్ వాడు అక్కడ పెట్టాడు, ఇక్కడ పెట్టాలి. ఇప్పుడు మనం టై అయింది, అవునా? నౌ ఇప్పుడు వాడు పెట్టాడు ఫస్ట్, దెన్ వీ. అమ్మ అయిపోయింది చూసారా, హీఈస్ ద విన్. అది ఇప్పుడు మనం టై. This one we want to implement. Same thing. Once I click on refresh, first to empty. Then how to do this one? This application I will implement. సరే ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ ఈ సింపుల్ అప్లికేషన్ ఓన్లీ. we will 12:30 కదా టైం. demo application for random name and random color. Mouse over and mouse out events. So test.html file. Come to here, test dot. All these not button get a not repeat, just mouse over, remove. Script is required. Here. Save. Come to here. Refresh. Okay. So now you have to tell what to write the code here. In test.js, random color, we know, remove this one. How to generate a random name? Because color is there. Name I can repair. So, name equal to, for example, the head one kada, okay. Where h1 equal to document dot query selector. What is the event first? Mouse over. Mouse over. Kaadu kada, sorry. I have to take first h1. Okay. Yes. h1 dot. What to do? Add event listener. What it is? Mouse over. What we have to do? Function. Color we know. Random color. Okay, very good. Now I get it. h1 dot. How to give text? Content. And that content I'm changing. What I want to change? Get random name. Any function is there? No. Okay. h1 dot. What to do? Style dot color equal to random color function is there. So I'm getting color. Name required. Copy this. Create a function. How to create function? Function keyword. What is the function name? Random name. Write the logic. What to do? Names equal to first name, second, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Done. Priyanka Chopra. All the names came. Sir, you have to tell now. You can tell, please. How to take one random name? See the previous logic, random color, how I am getting same here also. No. What is this index? 0. Idi 1, 2, 3. And you have to generate a random number 0 to 6. Take that index. How I am generating 0 to 15? You can take this logic. You will get it. Math dot random star 7. 7 means it is generated 6 only. 0 to 6. Same logic. If you have any doubt, execute it. Control Shift J. What it is? Math dot. What is the function? Random into star 7. Float value. And you can floor. Then it will come 3. Run it. Adugondi 6 1 6 1 2 0 came. Okay. Control L. Please say come to here, sir. So now what I was doing is math class. What is the function? Floor. Inside math dot random star 7. And it should generate 0 to 6 only. That give index. Okay. It is generated 0 to 6 number, index number. Simple. That return. What I want to return? Names of index. Completed or not? 0 to 6 index, one random name came that I am returning, stored into here. Save this program, come to here, close, refresh. If you place the mouse, Katrina, mouse out. Oh, only mouse over rasam kada. Sorry. Second raileda. Okay. Sir, what to do? Copy, paste. Mouse out. Completed. Come here, refresh. Adugondi. Mallika. Adugondi. Mallika out. Samantha. Samantha came, color changed. Mallika, Katrina, Samantha, Sunny Leone, Samantha. Place cursor. Outside. Place cursor. Vastunda leda? Mouse in, mouse out. That is the way. Name changed, color changed. అవన్నీ అవసరం సెంటర్కి ఎంటర్ ఎందుకు? మెయిన్ ఫంక్షనాలిటీ రిక్వైర్డ్ అంతే. సరే, అది స్టోరీ. ఇప్పుడు మై రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఈజ్ ఏ పర్టికులర్ నేమ్, పర్టికులర్ కలర్ ఐ కెన్ రిక్వైర్డ్. కత్రినా రెడ్ కలర్, కరీనా వైట్ కలర్, సన్నీ లియోన్ పింక్ కలర్. A particular name, particular color I want to provide. And if I place cursor, Katrina came only red, Priyanka came only orange, Sunny Leone only blue. A particular color I want to fix it to particular name. Are you getting it? Now randomly it is taken. A particular name, a particular color I want to assign. Sunny Leone always red, Katrina always blue, Samantha always some magenta color, orange color, like that we can provide it. And later on we will see, okay? Then one tic-tac, that application I'm telling, then we will wind up, we will go to the jQuery. Endo. అది ఇన్ multi-threading. Python లో ఎక్కడ కాదు అది. By using multi-threading, we can do that one. Sir, once it is completed, that application is over. jQuery. jQuery is small topic only, just 2 days. Then REST API. Then bye-bye. Dawat చేద్దాం.
Recording stopped.